How to generate a QR code for WhatsApp group. So generating a QR code for WhatsApp group is quite easy and simple. Just make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open WhatsApp and open any group that you have created. That means be sure that you are the admin of any particular group in order to generate a QR code for WhatsApp group. So once you're on this group chat, you need to tap on the group name at the top of the screen to raise the group info page. Once you're on this page, you need to see that I am the admin of this group. So above the group admin, you will see invite via link. Simply tap on it, and then here are multiple options to invite the link for this group. So on this different link, you need to simply tap on QR code, and once this QR code appears, and when you send this QR code to anyone, then anyone can scan this QR code and easily get access, or they can join this group. So you can also tap on three dots at the top right corner and receive this QR code. So your existing QR code and invite link will no longer work. So let's tap on receipt, and then the previous invite link has been reset and a new invite link has been created. So let's tap on OK. So if you are searching or looking to send this QR code for WhatsApp group, then you can tap on the share icon at the top right corner, and with the help of different kinds of social media platform, you can share this QR code to any one of it, and anyone will be able to join this group by scanning this QR code. So that's it. That is how we generate a QR code for WhatsApp group. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe our channel and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.